Kendall, Florida, is a vibrant community known for its tropical climate, lush landscapes, and beautiful homes. For homeowners in this area, selecting the right windows is essential to complement the unique characteristics of Kendall living. Casement windows stand out as a perfect choice for many reasons, offering a combination of practicality, style, and efficiency that aligns with the needs of Kendall homes. Here's why casement windows are an ideal fit for this sunny locale. Exceptional ventilation. Casement windows are designed to open outward on a hinge, allowing homeowners to capture maximum airflow. This design is particularly advantageous in Kendall, where the warm, tropical climate makes fresh air circulation a necessity. The outward opening mechanism enables casement windows to direct breezes into your home, providing natural cooling and reducing reliance on air conditioning. For residents who enjoy the balmy Kendall weather, these windows are a great way to keep interiors fresh and comfortable. Energy efficiency for hot weather. Keeping energy bills low is a priority for Kendall homeowners, especially during the hot summer months. Casement windows offer excellent energy efficiency thanks to their tight seal when closed. Unlike other window styles, the sash of a casement window presses firmly against the frame, preventing drafts and minimizing heat transfer. Many casement windows also feature advanced glass options, such as low-E coatings, which reflect heat while allowing natural light to enter. These features help maintain a cool indoor environment and lower energy costs year-round. Enhanced security. Security is a key concern for any homeowner, and casement windows offer a robust solution. Their locking mechanisms are embedded within the frame, making them more secure than many other window types. When closed, the crank system locks the window tightly, making it difficult for intruders to tamper with or force open. This added layer of security provides peace of mind for Kendall residents. Uninterrupted views. Kendall boasts beautiful surroundings, from lush gardens to scenic neighborhoods. Casement windows provide unobstructed views of these outdoor spaces thanks to their single-pane design and minimal framing. Whether you're enjoying a view of your backyard oasis or the vibrant streetscape, these windows allow you to connect with the outdoors while adding a sense of openness to your interior spaces. Customizable design option. Every home in Kendall has its unique style, and casement windows can be tailored to match. Available in a variety of materials, finishes, and colors, these windows can complement both contemporary and traditional architectural designs. Homeowners can choose from different glass options, grille patterns, and hardware styles to create a customized look that enhances their home's curb appeal. Durability against tropical conditions. Living in a tropical climate like Kendall's means dealing with high humidity, salty air, and occasional storms. Casement windows are built to withstand these challenges. Modern options are constructed from durable materials such as vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass, which resist corrosion and warping. Additionally, their tight seals help keep moisture and rainwater out, protecting your home from potential damage. Increased natural light. Kendall's sunny climate is one of its most appealing features, and casement windows help homeowners make the most of it. The large glass panes allow natural light to flood into your home, creating bright and inviting spaces. This feature reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, contributing to energy savings and a more eco-friendly lifestyle. Easy operation. Casement windows are designed for smooth and simple operation, making them ideal for homeowners of all ages. The crank mechanism allows for effortless opening and closing, even in hard-to-reach areas such as above sinks or counters. This convenience ensures that every member of your household can enjoy the benefits of these windows. Boosted property value. Installing high-quality casement windows can enhance the overall value of your Kendall home. Potential buyers appreciate the energy efficiency, security, and aesthetic appeal these windows bring. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to improve your living space, casement windows are a smart investment. Conclusion. Casement windows are a versatile and practical choice for Kendall homeowners, offering unmatched ventilation, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. Their durability, security features, and customizable designs make them a standout option for homes in this tropical paradise. Whether you're upgrading your existing windows or planning a new build, casement windows are an excellent way to enhance your home's comfort, beauty, and functionality. Contact a trusted local installer today to discover how casement windows can transform your Kendall home.